Hello guys, RiderTech here. And since my main camera crapped out, we are going to do a redo of the videos that I just recorded. Live and learn. So the first one is the new action cam adapter from Quadlock. As you can see, we have two perspectives now, and this is working great so far. Basically, now I can record indefinitely because I could keep the camera charged and pointed good. We will see in post how the footage is, because this is using my Quadlock dampener, and it's basically replacing my phone. I have the phone in my pocket, in my little leg bag, and this is an adapter for the normal Quadlock for the action camera. There's another one that screws directly to the sport, but I wanted to replace it because I don't normally ride with a camera, at least the two cameras. Let's just pass this one. I don't think we can catch the Porsche that just passed us, but we can try. But as I was saying, so far so good. It stays on perfectly, even pushing the bike a little, so that's great. Talking about the price, it's 20 euros I think. A little bit pricey, but all action camera accessories are. The plastic is good, doesn't feel cheap. The screw is okay. You have a thumb screw, so you don't need tools. So far I'm happy with it, and you will see the footage. I recorded a little clip that I can put up. It will be a short, but I can put it up so you guys can see it. Basically, as you can see, these roads are not good at the moment. The rains killed these roads. And it stays on. The clip that I will show you is on cobblestone, so it's even worse than this. But the bubble will hit, but the camera stays put. So be advised that works flawlessly. And that's it, guys. That's what I have for you about this little thing. You have a link that you can use to get 10% discount. I get a kickback from that, but if you want one for yourselves, go ahead, use it. At least you get something out of it and you help the channel. Thank you for watching, and see ya!